Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to trade Forex in interactive brokers. First, you will need to open an interactive broker's account and complete the application. Make sure to enable Forex trading permissions during this process. Once approved, fund your account with sufficient capital. Interactive brokers offers competitive spreads and deep liquidity, making it a popular choice for Forex traders. You can start with a small amount, but ensure it meets the minimum margin requirements for your desired trade size. Next, familiarize yourself with the Trader Workstation, or TWS, platform. This is where you will execute all your trades. Look for the dedicated Forex tab or the FX Trader tool within TWS. This specialized interface provides real-time quotes and advanced charting. You can then select your desired currency pair, like the euro versus US dollar or the British pound versus Japanese yen, to view its current bid and ask prices. Now, let's place a trade. First, decide on your order type. A market order executes immediately at the best available price, while a limit order allows you to specify a price. Next, determine your trade size. Forex is typically traded in lots, with one standard lot being 100,000 units of the base currency. Always set stop-loss and take-profit orders to manage your risk effectively and protect your capital. Finally, it is crucial to monitor and manage your open positions. You can track your real-time profit and loss in the portfolio section of TWS. As market conditions evolve, you might need to adjust your stop-loss or take-profit levels to adapt your strategy. You have the flexibility to close positions manually at any time, or you can let your preset orders execute automatically when your target prices are reached.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.